Ashley Olsen hikes with a machete in rare photo shared by her boyfriend Louis Eisner. Ashley Olsen's boyfriend has shared a rare pic of the notoriously private Full House alum and fashion designer hiking in the woods with a machete. It's apparently the summer of pop culture nostalgia. Last month, we got a rare sighting of 90s teen icon Jonathan Taylor Thomas. Now, we have Ashley Olsen, also spotted in the wild. Literally. The 35-year-old notoriously private Full House alum, fashion designer and one half of the Olsen twins, was recently photographed hiking in the woods with a machete. Bet you didn't have that on your 2021 bingo card. Ashley's boyfriend, Louis Eisner, posted the photo on his Instagram story Friday, July 9. She wore a white sweatshirt over a black top, white linen pants, a button-up white shirt tied around her waist, black Yeezy sneakers. A matching baseball cap worn backwards and oversized sunglasses, and carried a machete in one hand and an amber-colored drink in the other. Louis, 32, also shared a pic of himself on the hike, standing on a log over a pond. Both Ashley and twin sister Mary-Kate Olsen have kept away from the spotlight since they retired from acting a decade ago to focus on their fashion empire. In a June interview with British magazine ID, Mary-Kate described herself and Ashley as discreet people, adding, "That's how we were raised." Before Friday, Ashley was last spotted in public in May, walking in New York City. Earlier, in March, she and Louis were seen out to dinner in the city with friends. Ashley and her boyfriend, an artist, have been dating since late 2017. In February, Mary-Kate was spotted with John Cooper, CEO of financial news analysis agency Brightwire, at a dinner with friends at a New York City restaurant.